You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab. Bhubaneswar, Odisha Chief Minister Mr. Naveen Patnaik unveiled the iconic Dakota Aircraft at Biju Patnaik International Airport in Bhubaneswar on the birth anniversary of legendary leader Biju Patnaik. Belongs to erstwhile Kalinga Airlines, was founded by Biju Patnaik. Since this aircraft is closely associated with late Biju Patnaik, it will resemble Odisha's rich aviation history, which would be a befitting tribute to one of the most iconic personality of Odisha. People will see this Dakota aircraft as a memento of late Biju Patnaik's bravery and heroics. Bureau Report, Sigma Media Lab.